A very warm day, everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVM School, Jagapat Nagaram, dealing with the subject English. And children, after a long gap, I am here to talk to you lively after so many days. I hope everyone are doing good and doing healthy and be happy, be healthy, stay safe at home and try to learn new things. Okay, children, and now here today it's a special time. Why? Because I'm here to address you with an inspirational story. Inspirational story. The story whom I'm going to explain you is Thomas Alva Edison. Who is Edison? You know about Edison? Yeah, some of you guys know about Edison. Who is Edison? Edison is a great scientist. Great scientist. He invented many things, but the most famous invention is bulb, electric bulb. Without electric bulb, is there any house living? No. Why? Because it's a very crucial and very essential invention to the world which given by Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, children? So, this topic is mainly related to 7th class, Unit 2, Sir C.V. Raman and rest of the topics. Why? Because this video is related to mainly scientists. Okay, children, and on that unit you have a special topic about the inventor of inventors. The inventor of inventors. And here is a thought which was given by Thomas Alva Edison to us is genius is 1% inspiration. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. What is inspiration and what is perspiration? Do you know about that? Yes. Inspiration means the person who can inspire us, who can be a role model, the person whom we are going to follow about, and the person, the great people whom we are following are inspirations to us. Then what is perspiration? Perspiration in the sense decreasing level of a person. Of course, a great people can find a formula to solve anything. But when we follow that person's formula, that means when we are following, when we are depending on other person, we may get aspirate. That means we may decrease our levels of talent, our levels of thinking to downwards by ourselves. Okay, that's what we call it as genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. This is the statement. This is a most useful quote given by Thomas Alva Edison to all of us. Okay, children. Now we will go with some TP to Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, children. Yeah. Thomas Alva Edison, the great inventor of times. The great inventor of times is the most suitable example of his own saying. Can you imagine that? But it happens only with the great scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Yeah, and he invented recorded music and some spectaculations for music. Which are the contributions of his great genius? He's a great scientist. And while knowing about Edison, Edison was born on February 11th, 1847 at Milan, at Ohio. He is from Europe country. His father was a normal in charge of lighthouse at Lake Huron. His father is a normal in charge of lake. And although he didn't completed his education at top universities and top schooling, he studied only in a normal school. And after some days, he discontinued his education. He was very inquisitive from his boyhood to learn by understanding. The one and only aim he has from his child nature, he has from his boyhood is understanding, not by hearting. That's what children, what we have to insist to you all the times. Try to learn, try to understand, not to by heart. And while coming to Edison, when he was only 10 years old, at the time of he was only 10 years old, he set up a laboratory. He set a laboratory in the basement of his father's workplace. At the place of when his father was working, he set up a laboratory. He made some arrangements to work on a lab. He loved to mix liquids. We have many chemicals in our lab, right? In our school, we have many chemicals. So, at the time of very young age, he was very passionate to work and mix liquids and powders, some chemical powders like sodium, potassium, and to observe the reactions while mixing all the chemicals and while mixing all the powders. He was very passionate to work on the lab. Okay, and at the age of 12, he began selling newspapers. At the age of 12, very young age, he was tried to and he started selling newspapers, candy in trains. He started selling newspapers in trains, and as a very keen observer, he learned some preliminary techniques of telegraphy from the station master. So, while on the time, telegraphy is a special technique which we have to train to station masters, which led him to later to work as a roving telegrapher. During his stint as a supervisor in a telegraphic company, he created a stock printer. What is telegraph? You know about the telegraph? Can anyone say about the telegraph? Telegraph is nothing but a letter. On the time, letters are mostly a message changer, a message forwarding thing which we have on the time. But mostly for some government officers like station masters, they predominantly try to use this telegraph. So while his own interest, Thomas Alva Edison tried to learn this telegraph from his station master, and after his learning, he tried to invent a telegraph into a stock printer. Nowadays, we are using computer to print, but in previous of computer, we used printer. But before printer, we used telegraph. And while designing that printer, he gets some money, right? So while using that money, he tried to arrange a laboratory. And he done all his experiments and research work on the laboratory, and after some many years, he invented phonograph. What is phonograph? That means phonograph is a machine of recording and reproducing sound. Phonograph is a machine which we can use for recording and reproducing sound. For example, we have the basic insisted and basic made up recorders in our phone. Inbuilt recorders in our phone. Simply we can record our voice message by placing our phone near to our mouth, or else while using headset we can need to record our recordings in nowadays. But in previously we don't the monograph was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. And Edison thus made man-made voice immortal. And in 1878, he demonstrated the light bulb. 1878, he designed and he think about the bulb. And on that bulb, you also observe that on that bulb, inside the bulb, there is a carbon material which we called it as filament. And the filament is made up of carbon. For every bulb to light, to enhance the brightness, the carbon material, the filament is very important. If the filament may damage us, we cannot produce light from those bulbs. That was the very precious invention which Thomas Alva Edison given to us, to our universe. Okay, and while doing experiment on electric bulb, he discovered an important scientific principle known as Edison effect. He given some theorems, he given some formulas to all the people, all the entire universe. That was Edison effect. That means it mainly based on invention of electric valves. Electric valves, which is mainly important, mainly helpful to modern electronics. And in 1882, he generated power generation station at New York City. Power generating station, we all know we have generating stations near to our local areas. That generating station firstly discovered and firstly invented by Thomas Alva Edison at the place New York City at America. And later he discovered kinetograph, nothing but camera. Kinetograph, which is useful to take pictures, nothing but a camera. Cinema houses are here today because the inventive genius of Edison. Camera, the kinetograph was invented by Edison, and those cameras are mainly used for movie industries. So that was all the invention of Thomas Alva Edison. And it's a privilege I'm taking from SLVM school to dedicate this video to Thomas Alva Edison. And finally, Thomas Alva Edison was passed away on 18 October 1931. But still, his inventions are with us, his useful thinking, his knowledge is with us.